Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and this is going to be a quick unboxing of the Raleno LED wireless video lighting kit. This is the bag that it comes in, and we're going to open this up and see what all comes in the package. Obviously, the bag is part of the package. Nice carrying case that you can take this kit with you everywhere you go without any issues at all. And when you get to where you're going, you just unzip it, and here you go. Again, this is the initial unboxing, so there's styrofoam and stuff. You've got little pamphlets and instruction manuals. You've got stand instruction manual, the soft video light kit instruction manual, so you know how to use everything. And then right here we have the stars of the show. These are the soft lights. These are LED soft lights. You can see those panels there. And take them out of the plastic. And you can see right here, Raleno. You can see you've got that cover on there to protect this. Take that off yourself later. It's got 19.5 watts power, illumination, 650 lux. And there is color temperature control from 3200 to 5600K. And you can see the controls right here. You've got, there you go, you've got brightness, you've got CCT, which will be your color control. And then you've got on-off, turn on-off. And you've got your input, and that's what you use to charge. These are wireless, so they have a built-in lithium battery. You charge them up, and then you'll be able to use these wirelessly, which is really awesome and really great. And a very thin flat panel. And again, it gives you that soft light. You see you do have the threads here, because again, these are mountable, and they do come with the mounts, so which is just really a very cool feature, the fact that you get everything you need in this kit, and these provide that nice soft light for videography. So you get two of these in this kit. One, two. I'm going to put those to the side, and we're going to check out everything else that comes in the kit. You get two tripods. And already just picking these up, I'm impressed, because these feel like they are very solid, very sturdy tripods. Sometimes with a kit like this, you'll get something that's kind of flimsy or cheap, but this feels very nice. Got nice finish on these bars. It's more of a brushed aluminum finish as opposed to a smooth or shiny finish. Got brushed aluminum, but feels very, very sturdy. And you've got, let's see, so that's how that works. That opens up like that, and then you lock these down, and then you've got your various heights. You loosen any of these, and you can pull these out to get these to the height you need. So completely adjustable with a lot of different levels there. And your mounting head is going to go on here. It's not on there now because it's in the box. Let's check out the other stuff that comes in. I'm going to move this out of the way here for now. See what else we get. Okay, so right here you've got your charging cord, and again, because you've got two lights, you get two chargers. I think that's awesome, because they could have just said, okay, we're just going to include one charger. You charge one light, then you plug in the other one. But nope, they included two power supplies, two chargers, so you can charge both your lights at the same time, which if you do videography, you know you always want to be able to charge everything as quickly as possible. So that's awesome that they include two chargers for the two lights. And then here's the mounting head for those tripods. Oh, I love this. I love these kind of mounts where you don't have to like go underneath and screw it in. You just You just rotate that and it screws right into the bottom. So very cool, and then very adjustable because you can loosen this and then you can adjust that to where it needs to be. So you can get the angle that you want to get in the light, which is great. And then of course you've got a foot that allows you to camera mount. So if your camera, like the camera I'm using to film this, has a shoe, you have a shoe mount here, so you can put that onto that, or you can use your standard tripod mounting screw, which is underneath. So that's awesome. They include both ways. You can use the shoe mount, or you can use a standard tripod screw to attach one of these lights to whatever you want to attach it to. And of course they do include, that's a given, but they do include 2 of these because you've got 2 lights. So obviously you've got to have 2 of those so that you can use both lights. And then you have your second tripod here. Take that out. Basically the same as the first one. So this is what you're getting. You're getting the 2 tripods. You're getting the 2 charging power supplies, your mounts, of course, and the star of the show, your 2 LED soft lights with controllable LED white temperature. So really a great set for lighting for video, because 1 light is rarely enough. You almost always are going to need a minimum of 2 lights, and these just look like they're going to be great, and so I'm excited to put these to use. But that's everything that comes in the box. Again, this is the Raleno LED wireless rechargeable video lighting kit, and that's everything that comes in the box. If you like this video, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in this product, share the video with them. If you have any questions, you can post them down below, but obviously I'm going to probably answer your questions in the future full video review, so stay tuned for that. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, keep up with all my videos, or favorite this playlist if you just want to keep up with future product reviews. Anyway, that's going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.